So the condition on the inside, I mean, there's a lot of grease and oil slapped on. I presume this was done in order to make the car not rust. However, there are some holes, I'll show you. Like here. As you can see over there. That's not very clear, is it? But anyhow, maybe I can get it, I don't know if it's visible. Can you see there's light? That's in the rear arches. It's same thing on either side. As you can see over there, there are other holes. It looks pretty straight. I mean, there doesn't seem to have been any collision damage. And a good thing about the car is that it seems to be very original. The car only has two owners. Had two owners rather. I would be the third one, and it has about 31,000 miles on it. So, I mean, for a car of its age, it's quite. First thing I asked the guy from the tow truck had asked me about the rear light and the reverse light. Yes, that was an extra fitted to the later model 1970s. Well, work needs to be done. The underside of the car looks, I mean, I intend to solder blast it, so we'll know better once that is done. As you can see, it came with a hard top on. Yesterday we removed it. It seems to have been on for quite a long time. This is in view of the spray. I noticed that the coloring of the spray was a bit darker where there is the hard top. Yeah, there's quite a big dent over here, which I knew about. I knew about the rust on the bottom of the car. However, upon checking it further, yeah, it seems that unless my panel beater can fix it, I have to either replace the whole door, if I manage to find one locally. Yeah, because I'll show you, it's quite rusted from the bottom. This is what I saw on the photos, and I thought it was just the skin which needed replacing. However, once you open the door, you notice that it is much more than that. The car has, whatever this is, it looks like it's been painted on, to be honest with you, so we'll have to see what's underneath. As I said, I mean, there's quite substantial rust. However, I intended to do the sills on either car, on either side. The guy that I bought the car from told me he was going to put some spares in the car, and I found the inner parts of the sills in the car. This is the front end. First thing a lot of people asked me is about this. Yes, it seems to have been on for a long time. I mean, the aging on it, it is very, very similar to the aging on the rear emblems. So it was either placed at the very beginning. However, what I also noticed is, I don't know if you managed to see this, this part has been resprayed at a certain point. I do not think it is accident damage, although there is a dent over here, but I do not honestly think, unless it was this type of impact, it isn't a frontal one. Yeah, the front valance seems okay, so does the chassis from the front. as is normal, I mean, and expected. Let me just turn the light around so you can maybe see a bit better. There have been some jobs done, you see, fiberglass over here and some filler. But anyhow, hopefully that with soda blasting will be removed completely. Yeah, one other surprise I had is I had noticed the rust over here, if you can see that. However, when I saw the other side, I was a bit, yeah. Oh, I didn't like the rust on the other side. It seems to be quite a bit of rust, and this is split over here. I will try and take the windshield for removal in case it rusts any further. The drain over here has been, it's a bit squashed, so that needs doing too.